Hey Kevin, I have a surprise for you.
Is this what I think it is?
You'll have to open it.
I'm gonna unbox it. I'm pretty excited about this, Juliana.
I'm good. I am too.
Let's see what it looks like. I think that the people that are watching are gonna be excited too.
Yes.
I'm so excited. I'm not even cutting it straight. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Coffee with Kevin mug.
That's right.
And look, it's very nice. So, are we gonna do something with these?
I think we should. What do you think?
I think we should too.
All right.
So, what do you think? Should we do something on social media?
Yeah, maybe like a giveaway, perhaps?
That's a great idea. Let's do this. If you want a mug, we're gonna give away 2 or 3 of these. 2 of these to start.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. By the end of the year.
Mm-hmm.
So, if you're watching this video and let's give them a couple of different ways that they can get one of these mugs from us. Their name goes in a drawing. If they like it, that's worth 1. Share it, that's worth 1. If you follow VizVibe, you get 2 of your name in the drawing. The final one would be if you comment 2 of their names in the hat. Do it as often as you want. I can't wait to give these out. These are really nice. And now we can have it in our Coffee with Kevin. And be sure to tune in to Coffee with Kevin. The first couple ones we're easing in, but we're gonna start talking, like I said before, about all things AR, VR, and mixed reality, and the Internet of Things. So be sure to catch the next short that we do.